Khubor ka Bate TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Umentri rongba ajong kajala Conrad kongka Sangma la pentip ba unspenmi yakathop Bate kam shabaro kimentri jong ka sarkar jong u haga Janmiet jong ka khandai trik uleber 8,000 arpulai. Kumban shupentip hangni bawat lau Conrad Sangma lembat ki khatwe ngut kimentri jong u kiladap shapen bam smai haulat kajala haga nyau trik uleber 8,000 arpulai. Henry hadu menta umentri rongba pat shimla Bate kam satya ya kimentri ki badan hapok ka sarkar jala wat la ki pat ba kila ap khmi menti menta la palat arpu saw kenta.
So the list will come out in the evening today. I am just finalizing the final list, and by afternoon I'll be sending it to the Honorable Governor for approval. Yeah, all of that will be looked into. We are trying to ensure that we are trying to balance things out. I think balancing is very important, and at the same time it's also seeing the overall individuals' experience, as you said, in the past, and the works and the interest maybe they have. It's not always the easiest thing to do, and it's not always that everything will go according to anybody's personal desires or wish. We'll have to take the team along, and we have to take what is in the best interest of the state. And so therefore keeping the interest of the state and balancing out the entire work of the government is what is going to be the... No, the list is coming out now. I have not even signed the list yet. I have to yet to sign the papers. Papers are lying in my residence.